Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about Euro USD. Now, it's usual to keep the video as educational as possible. First, I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders on Euro USD. So these are the non-commercials, so the big institutional speculators, and then I will put together the top-down multi-time frame technical analysis with the order flow analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which right now is heading towards a retest of this area. This was the previous zone of monthly supply and resistance from which all these previous rejections to the downside were created. It seems like the market is at the moment on the way to retest this zone, and that is something that you would expect. In fact, after the break of such a level which we had during this massive impulse to the upside, we had the break above this level, and we never really had a proper retest of this zone. So in this kind of situation, what we would expect is for the market to want to go lower, deep into this zone to test what kind of demand we have in the area, what kind of demand and support we have inside of the zone. So let's keep all of this in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, the situation is very clear as well. What we can notice is a series of weekly impulses and corrections to the downside. So clearly we are in a downtrend, and actually we are in a quite a textbook downtrend. In fact, what we're noticing is that every single time we're seeing a perfect retest of the previous support and resistance during this push to the downside. Every time we're seeing previous support break to the downside, the previous support becomes resistance, we see the retest and rejection lower, and we're seeing this over and over again. The last move was another impulse to the downside, correction, and right now the market seems ready for the continuation lower, essentially continuing this downtrend from a weekly standpoint and going and testing the demand and support zone that we have just identified on the monthly time frame. So the weekly does seem quite clear. Let's keep it in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Now, here on the daily, we can notice that again, there is room for this push lower. What we can also notice is that from a daily perspective, this level is exactly the level of previous daily support turned resistance here, here, and here. And from this level, there is good probability of seeing bearish price action into this zone. What we can also notice is that if we look at the commitment of traders and we look at the data for the euro, this is already the data for euro against the USD, because the data is already reported against the USD, and we can see with the last report, net positions dropping massively. We went from a positive net positioning of plus 1K now to minus 16.2K net positions, with 5,000 shorts added just with the last report and 12,200 longs getting closed. So Euro USD is getting quite bearish. Let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, we are testing quite strong resistance. So what would I expect here? Well, especially if we will continue to see more institutional selling, as we are already seeing, there is good probability from here to see a rejection to the downside into this zone. But as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the suit data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bullish to a bearish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection lower away from this area into this demand and support zone. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're open, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.